A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you students? I'm your course teacher, Muhammad Mancha, and I'll teach you English alphabet. Do you remember how many letters do we have with us? Yes, please. They are 26 in number. How many? 26. Starting from A to Z. Good. Last time we have learned first 16 letters of English alphabet from A to P. From A to P. Now our next letter is Q. What? Q. And its number is 17. This is 17th letter of English alphabet. Good. And do you know some names starting from Q? Yes, please. Queen, quail, question. Good. And do you know any other name? Yes, please. The name of our holy book, that is Quran. And the person who teaches Holy Quran, we call Qari. What? Qari. Good. And this letter gives q sound. Q sound. Quran. Qari. Good. Now we'll learn how to write this letter on a sheet. This worksheet will help you to write this letter Q. With the help of dotted lines, you may draw. Yes, I'll give you 5 minutes to draw this letter for practice purpose. Please. Have you learned how to write this letter? Q? Good. Thank you.